Okay guys, I want you to see the difference between the old catalytic converter and the new one. So this is the old one. There's some sunlight now, so you guys can see how the element inside is. It's really it's it's really worn out. Look at this. Okay, this is supposed to be flat, but this is what a bad catalytic converter will look like in the inside. Okay, so that's why we check with the scanner. The scanner, it will tell us that something is wrong inside even before seeing what it actually looks like. Okay, and this one is the new one. That's the new one right there. So that's how it's supposed to look like. Okay, new, bad. Okay, now we're gonna install the new one. Okay,